EduFam.
I make milk fresh and white. What's your special thing? I love grass, green and tall. What's your favorite thing to chew? I say moo when I talk. Moo, it's my favorite song. I'm pink and roll in mud. Feels good on my skin. I have a snout, round and big. It helps me sniff the ground. I say oink when I talk. Oink, that's just my way. I have wool, soft and white. Why is your coat so thick? I love grass, that's what I eat. Do you like to munch and chew? I say ba to say hello. Ba, it's my favorite song.
Hey guys, do you like our video? Don't forget to click subscribe. Subscribe! Search for EduFam at YouTube.
Thank you for watching.